When you have a child that is wearing AFOs or braces, for example, the need for footwear is obvious. We've got to put this into this. So what kinds of shoes work better? This particular shoe is a billy shoe, and one of the advantages it has is it has a zipper that allows it to open up. So in this manner, we simply unzip the shoe, the brace will fit right in there, and then we zip the shoe up. It makes it very easy for mom or dad to put the brace on the child. Then you put the foot inside the shoe, zip it up, and off you go. There's a lot of different choices for designs and colors. So the kids enjoy wearing these types of shoes with the designs they've picked for their AFOs. Besides the billy shoe, there are other options. And what we're looking for is a shoe that has the proper length and it bends in the right spot and has enough room inside so that the foot doesn't get cramped while wearing the brace. If you can find that particular type of shoe or that style, that works as well. You're not limited to any particular type of shoe. We've just found that the billy shoes offer a lot of selection and the size that we need in order to fit these kiddos with their braces. If you or your child are in need of footwear for bracing or bracing itself, visit our website, or better yet, give us a call. We'd love to help you.